When you see these ads, do you ever think, what if I were a brand ambassador like them and saying, कुछ मीठा हो जाए और डर के आगे जीत है? Well, guess what? You can say शुरुआत यहीं से by becoming a brand ambassador for Internshala. If you are a college student, you can become a brand ambassador for Internshala by applying for the Internshala Student Partner Program. As an Internshala Student Partner or ISP, you will be the go-to person for Internshala at your college. You will be responsible for introducing our services and resources to your peers. You will spread awareness about Internshala's vast opportunities and help your fellow students to start their careers. In this video, I will talk about Internshala and what is Internshala Student Partner Program, ways or strategies to spread the word about Internshala on your college as a brand ambassador or student partner, and steps to stay updated about Internshala. Most of you already know about Internshala and use Internshala, but let me give you a quick overview of our services if you are new to the platform. Internshala is an edtech platform that's all about helping college students to start their career. It helps students and young professionals to upskill and find new opportunities like internships and jobs. In the last decade, Internshala has helped over 3 million students to find their dream internships and jobs. So whether you are looking for online training courses to upskill, internships to build experience, placement guarantee courses to learn and get fresher jobs, or exclusive job opportunities, Internshala has got you covered. वो कहते हैं ना, शुरुआत यहीं से. Now that you are familiar with the services of Internshala, let's move on to discuss Internshala's Student Partner Program. The Internshala Student Partner Program is a 60-day program where you will get a chance to be a campus ambassador for Internshala at your college. During this time, you will be the go-to person for Internshala, responsible for introducing our services and resources to your peers. You will have the opportunity to spread awareness about Internshala's vast opportunities and empower your fellow students to begin their careers. The program will also help you to acquire valuable professional skills and experience while promoting Internshala services at your college campuses. For example, you will learn how to be a great marketer and get people excited about a brand. You will also learn how to effectively communicate with people. And if you have ever wanted to plan events, this is your chance to learn how. Further, as student partner, you will get the chance to connect with like-minded individuals and build a strong network. And here's the most exciting part. You can even earn rewards like free Internshala training courses, certificate of completion, letter of recommendation, exciting prizes like both smartwatches, noise speakers, OTT subscriptions, goodies like cool Internshala branded t-shirts, and last but definitely not the least, an iPhone 50. So are you ready to be an Internshala student partner? Then apply for the program today. You can click the link provided in the description below to begin this exciting journey. I know what you want to learn next. You want to learn how to spread awareness about Internshala as a student partner. I have all these strategies that you need to become the best brand ambassador at your campus. Let's go over them one by one. First is social media. You can make fun reels and post on Instagram and Facebook to tell your friends about Internshala. You can even share your own stories about how Internshala helped you find an internship or learn a skills, and do tag your friends in those stories. You can share information about courses, jobs, and internships that are posted on Internshala on your social media or WhatsApp. You could say something like this. Next, you can also work with your college to put up posters in busy places like cafeteria or library to tell your fellow students about Internshala. Make sure the posters are bright and colorful with big letters that are easy to read. You can even include a QR code that links straight to Internshala website or a specific course or a job. Next, you can use email newsletters. You can collaborate with different clubs and groups on campus to include Internshala news in their newsletters. Make sure to keep the emails short and and fun with lots of cheers and links to the link. Next, you can set up a booth at your college fest. This is a great way to meet people face to face and get them excited about all the exciting things International has to offer. When you are at booth, make sure to smile, be friendly, and ask people about their career goals. And do not forget to hand out some information brochures and stickers to help people remember you and International. And another great way is through webinars. These are online sessions where you can talk about International services and answer any questions they might have. To make your webinar extra special, invite some guest speakers like industry experts or alumni who have used International to launch their careers. They can share their stories and inspire others to follow their footsteps. And make sure to include links to helpful articles and resources so people can learn more. And the last is one-on-one chats with your friends and classmates. It allows you to connect with people. You can talk to people about how International can be a great platform for them and mention how it helped you grow professionally and reach your career goals. You can offer to help them sign up for our placement guarantee courses or apply for internships and give them an insight into the various services that International has to offer. And that's everything you need to know to become a student partner. And do not forget to stay up to date with all the latest happenings at International. So how to go about that? Just follow these 3 steps and you are good to go. Follow International on all the social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Subscribe to International newsletter. Regularly check International's website and blogs for update. And now you are ready to become the best International student partner. So what are you waiting for? Apply to be an ISP today and seize this amazing opportunity. If you like this video, then press the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more career advice. All the best.